We all know as wildlife photographers that shooting in low light or dealing with motion blur from fast-moving animals is a constant battle. You may have spent days, weeks, or even months researching locations and behaviours to try and get that absolutely perfect shot, just to get home and realise that it wasn't that perfect after all. Topaz Photo AI can help solve that problem. Hello, my name is Andy Green, a wildlife photographer, editor, and owner of Pond and Perch Wildlife. You can find me on Instagram at spaceman.pics. As a wildlife photographer, I really do know the pain of having to drop that shutter speed and raise that ISO just in a split second to capture a moment. But when you get home, the headache begins in post-production. Much of my time is spent with photographers from all over the world on editing workshops. The number one question I get asked is, how do I get those smooth backgrounds, but also the sharp detail? And with Topaz Photo AI, the whole process is really quick and really simple. Topaz Photo AI really is the autopilot for image quality, which means when dropping a photo into the software, noise can be reduced and detail can be sharpened just by using the sliders and turning them on and off. You can even automatically enhance the resolution of your photo at the same time. The really cool thing is that although the AI technology automatically detects and tweaks your image for you, you can use the drop-down menu to really refine that detail and make the image your own and keep full control over the software. Photo AI is also super convenient as it takes all the best features from other softwares such as denoise, sharpen and gigapixel and rolls them up into one lovely bundle. It's also very easy to integrate into Lightroom and Photoshop. I genuinely use this software on every image I think needs it and would highly recommend it to all of you wildlife photographers out there, as long as you are serious about producing the best possible quality work.